Happy Friday and welcome to the Node-RED Opto Minute. Node-RED is a development environment. Here you see it interfacing with a weather API and here parsing data. Here at Opto 22, we've created many how-tos, how to create a GUI, how to create a HMI, how to interface with third-party devices, how to send emails, how to more storage capabilities, IoT interfacing capabilities, as well as imagine being able to get real-time weather data without using a sensor, but an API instead. So now that opens up the door for us. Imagine being able to control different parts of your factory depending on the cost of a barrel of crude oil, kilowatt hour, etc. There are two sources for our Node-RED videos, our website directly as well as our YouTube channel. And Terry will take you step by step through those different videos. It runs on our Epic hardware as well as our Rio hardware, and our Epic hardware is modular. Here you see it power supplies to different modules. Now you can intercommunicate your OT with your IT, Node-RED being another option on Opto 22 hardware, where you can create these types of flows for yourself, following our videos step by step. So have a great weekend.